What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys are all having a great day. Let me make sure chat is working, but I mean, happy Friday, everybody. You guys ready to do some game development? Let's do it. Let me pull chat up. I'm gonna erase the chat from yesterday. So clear. Oh, Strongman, I see ya. What are we doing today? We're gonna try and make some music. That's one of the things we have left. Yeah, thank goodness it's Friday. Welcome, Strophium. Welcome to the stream. And make sure I got everything else up. Make sure things look good. Let me know if there's any issues. Gracias a Dios es viernes. Thank goodness it's Fridays. I'm pretty sure that's what you said. 7:24. Yeah, so I mean, this is the project that we have right now. Everything, I mean, for the most part is set up. So if we hit play, flip coins, and then if I hit save game here and go to the console, it should tell us, or wait, no, we have to exit and go back into it. Our loaded money is 1, which is good. Then our loaded multiplier is 0. Heads odd increase is also 0. And so let's just try buying one of the coins. So I'll just buy the nickel. Well, let's just buy the dime as well. And save. And let's try buying a few of these upgrades. Okay. Now, hopefully, when I save the game, it saves everything. Hopefully. So, true. Our dime unlocked did not work. So we need to fix that. Which is weird because it pretty much has the same logic as the nickel, so I wonder why that didn't work. Let's check it out. Extra multiplier, that worked. Okay. Heads odd increase, I think we upgraded that, so that should have also worked. All right, let's check it out. You guys do anything fun over the weekend? While I open up all these scripts, would you be down for a code review after the challenge? Could be fun. Yeah, where you do a review of my code and tell me how bad it is. And that is something I'm thinking about as well. Maybe making a video of potential improvements I could do, kind of like a lessons learned. On top of some of the other ideas that I also want to make after this challenge. So when let's go over to the right screen because I kind of want to troubleshoot this save. Not how bad, but there's an opportunity. Oh, 100%. Yeah, I think that'd be good. I know there's probably a lot of opportunity for that because it got ugly at some points. Like, for example, this save data method. It's ugly. So I know this always works. We're getting the player money. We're saving the player money, that is. And then coin extra reward, coin upgrades dot extra multiplier. So I think we're getting the value from this script, coin upgrades, extra multiplier. Which is kind of weird because now we're equaling that to save manager. Any tips? Honestly, just start making things. That's kind of the best way to learn. Yeah, honestly, yeah, just keep trying to, first off, welcome to the stream. But yeah, just if you're trying to learn C#, just try to make something. That's probably going to be the best ways to learn. So we got our nickel unlocked. That was true. But why did... Unlock nickel purchase, unlock dime purchase, unlock quarter. There we go. Turn off my notifications here off my phone so I don't get a bunch of stuff. There we go. All right, because it is the last day of this challenge, so we got a lot of stuff to do. Let's turn it off. Okay, So I need to finish making the save system, and then we also have to make some music just out of the blue. We got FL Studio. That's actually what we're gonna use. So I'm gonna make some music. I've never used FL Studio. Have you guys, any of you, used that before? We're gonna use it to hopefully make our music and like a quick sound effect whenever you hit the flip coins button. Unlock nickel purchase. Yeah, when we save it, we should do coinflip.is nickel unlocked, which should be returning true. So how is that true, but that's false? I don't know. I'm gonna try it again. That just makes no sense. So now everything is false. So I must be setting it wrong. I think I have issues somewhere. Back when it was Fruity Loops. Fruity Loops Studio. Is that actually what it stands for? I've had it since 2004. Dang. So you probably got a pretty good deal on it, maybe, because I think you get free updates with everything. That's probably not including the plugins, but let's see what else. Chat. What you coding? We are making this small simple coin idle day game. It's the last day of the challenge. So right now I'm just trying to make sure my save system is working correctly, because I noticed there's a few issues. Like for example, if I hit flip coins, oh, let's play it here. How is that not? Oh, there we go. Now I shouldn't be hearing that sound. So our multiplier is working because we're getting the 4 and the heads odds. There's nothing there, but let's try buying it and then I'll save it and let's see if it works. Heads odd is 1, so that's good. And let's just go to the nickel and I'll save it and then exit, start. So now that's true. What if I do the dime, save it and then play again? Now that's true and that's false. You know what I think's happening? What if we're saving with the same key name? Maybe that's what's going on here. And it's like overriding it in a way. So save is dime. No, that's not happening. My guess was logical though. Made sense. Get int, dime unlocked, quarter, nickel. So why would it reset? That's interesting. Why it would do that. So $250 one-time purchase. Yeah. So does that include every single plugin then? Like literally everything? Is that like the highest tier? Like what it was? Because I think right now I just got the professional version. So it was like $179, I think. I mean, it kind of works. It just has bugs. I think the issue potentially lies here, where we have this unlock nickel purchase and we're getting the save manager. What if we... Could I just call the load system for all the... No, I can't. Probably, but... All right, here we go. Strophium says there are proprietary VSTs that are compact as trials, but all the FL Studio VSTs are free. Nice. Yeah, that's what I got, producer version, I think. Okay, I think the save system is pretty... It's weird how it doesn't work all the time, so it's weird. It's like when I unlock the nickel now, it's like not doing things correctly. So if I save it here, save it a bunch, I think the dime unlocked. Oh, let's go back to the middle screen. I think the dime unlocked doesn't actually work here. So I'm gonna just stop it. It's like this will be false and that'll be true. What? What? That is so weird. Save system. Because I should just be fetching it as soon as this gets loaded into memory. It should be fetching the key. So unlock nickel purchase, save manager, load nickel, load dime. So I mean, they're using different methods. I mean, I could try putting it in like a public void start. Maybe it's just happening too quickly. I guess I'll try that as a troubleshooting step. So I'm just going to highlight all this because it's together. And stop that. And then I'm just going to make a public start. Public void start. Oh, wait. There we go. I'll just paste all that in there. I don't know if this will actually fix it, but we'll see. All right, let's give it a go. So I'm gonna go back to the middle screen, hit play here. And the loaded money, so it doesn't actually change the text. So that's kind of one bug. But I mean, for the most part, it's working. It is a bug that I'd like to fix. So if I just do dime is unlocked and save. Then start it up. Now that's true and that's false. What? I'm making a cyberpunk theme survivor. Oh, using dots. Nice. That's something I want to get into in the future. Like Remy base. Cool. So we'll probably be learning some of that together then. Because I'm aiming to learn some of that as well. So, is there something maybe getting in the way? Because I'm doing a debug.log pretty much right after I load it. Let's see. Convert into bool. So it's almost like being false. You might as well start sooner rather than later because it's an entirely different frame of mind. Well, I thought about that, but I didn't know when to start it pretty much. I know you can use, it's like dots. You just have to, I mean, you can just use it for like the intensive parts of your game. You don't have to use it for every single part of your game. I think it's just, is it technically just some class in Unity that you can use in a way? Tomorrow? Yeah, we're definitely gonna start it tomorrow. I could, I mean, it wouldn't be a bad thing to start, right? It is something I do want to learn going forward. And will learn, because I want my games to be as optimized as possible. To an extent. Obviously you can't make it perfect, but at least the intensive parts of your game, you probably want to try and optimize those a little bit. It's not a class. It's like everything gets run through systems, and systems process the aggregator. Okay. James Ricky, welcome to the stream. You should drink some water. We got some water. And what's crazy is the straw that's actually in this big old jug it's like cracked a little bit. So every time I drink it, it sounds like someone's screaming. It's weird. Maybe it didn't do it as much right there, but I was drinking it earlier and my dog was in the room. As soon as I started drinking, she's just looking at me like, what are you doing? What is that noise? What is that screaming? Pretty sure you heard that little recoil on the water. For example, everything is a moving agent. Okay, I'll have to see some visual stuff of it because it's confusing. Stacks those components in a pile and feeds them into a wood chipper. I do know it's more efficient, and like that's how it can run so much faster, is because like it just makes it more efficient instead of how it usually is, where I think it has to pull from this location and then this location and then this location when you're loading things into memory and processing stuff. But I think dots is, it just kind of organizes that, so it's a lot more efficient. It can be more efficient. Okay, if you do it right. You know, I might just have to go with this. I might just have to, I think this is good for now. I think it's weird how it only saves one of the quarters. It's like I'm not, all right, I'm gonna go to my registry. What kind of keys are we even seeing here? Can I sort by name? Well, that's a bummer. Okay, so we have the nickel unlocked. Okay, that's working. All right, I mean, we have a key for nickel unlocked. We have a key for quarter unlocked and a key for dime unlocked. Okay, so why is that true, but this isn't? Maybe we're not passing in the right information, potentially. Return true. Let's see. Is it are we setting it as an int? We should be. Int, coin upgrades. I'm gonna go to the, okay, you guys can see it. Awesome. This is unlock nickels purchased. Oh, you know what? I think we might have a partial issue. We're not converting bool to int, but we are converting int to bool, so that could potentially be part of the issue. Maybe. Have you heard of any array of structs versus arrays? I think I've heard about it. I never tried building it out, so if I did, I'd probably get my head stuck in a wall, literally. By just banging my head against the wall. I'm curious if that has anything to do, because we're doing int to bool, but we're not like getting bool to int. So what if I do that? Public bool, convert bool to int. Oops. Because when we save it, we're going to be converting the bool to an integer. That's how it gets saved in the registry, because you can't save booleans in the player prefs system. So I think in the save, I don't know if this is the actual issue, but I think that's something we should probably do. Oh wait, no, because if this turns true, we're just assigning it through here. So I guess that's kind of pointless. Huh, it's starting to sound like a Minecraft villager. Save game. Flip coins. Exit. So those are both true. So I think it has partially something to do with, like if I stop and restart the game. Oh, here. Now you guys can see. So I just bought the nickel and dime upgrades and it both came back as true. But what I think could happen here is what if I just stop it and start it again? Is it setting it to false? No, it's not. So can I buy this and be good? Because technically this should all be true now. So if I save the game, start it, this is true and this is false, false. It's so weird. Player prefs, agreed. It was just the way where I kind of knew what to do. I'm going to make a reset data method though. Reset all data. Please just make it easy. Oh, void reset all data. Okay, perfect. That's exactly what I want. Basically, I just made this little quick method here where we have reset all data. And here we are basically going to delete all the keys and then it's going to save it. And either way, when we create the keys, we're just going to remake them. So it should be okay. Kind of starting from fresh in a way. So now let's go back into our hierarchy, middle screen, and I'm just going to duplicate our button so that I can just turn it from a save button, like a save game button, to a reset data button. I noticed you're using fake regions in your code. Are you using with actual regions? What do you mean? You're using fake regions in your code. Are you meaning like this comment here where I have like convert? Oh wait, regions, are you thinking like the hashtag or something? Yeah, let's see. Where was that at? Because I know I just have like that comment. So I'm not like using an actual hashtag there. I kind of just am using a comment. Unless I'm missing something here. All right, I'm gonna make that button. Wow. Button. Let's get the button. So hierarchy. And then we have the save button right here. So I'm just going to duplicate that. And instead of save, let's make it reset. Game button. I'm just gonna copy the name of that because in the text, I want to rename that as well. Button text, reset game button text, and we'll do reset game. Woo! I'll do resize, auto resize. Oh, it's duplicated, so it was already there. All right. So now that we have that, let's go to our button and change the position on the Y. Move it down a bit. I'm just gonna make it so it's about the same. Oh, that's the text. About the same as there. There we go. And I'm gonna change the color to red because we're resetting all the data. So there we go. Awesome. Can't I make a border for my buttons? I thought I did that in the past. For some reason, I forget how it works now. What does this do? No idea. But, right, yeah, I was just wondering because regions are useful if you want to separate your code that way. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to look into it. I don't really use regions that much, but right now I was just having like multiple things in one script. So which I probably shouldn't, but oh well. But now we have a reset game. So if this was an actual game, I'd probably make it more organized. I guess I'll say that. Like an actual game. I plan to release on Steam, but which I can't wait till I do that one day. That's gonna be awesome. So I'm just gonna do this method here, reset all data. For you guys in shorts, let me move the camera so you guys can see. Basically, to assign that on click event, we select the game object we want to, so reset game button. And then for these on click event, this is a duplicated game object, so it already has something. So I'm gonna do save system. And let's find our, what was it called? Reset all data method. I probably passed it. Oh, there it is. Reset all data. So now when we click this button, the on click event for that basically runs this method here. So let's make sure it works. Delete game. basically deleted all my game. Woo! Yep, it deleted all the keys. If you guys actually want to see this in action, let's see what actually happens behind the scenes. So I'm gonna do this upgrade, blah, 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 create all these keys. I'm gonna save it, open up my registry, refresh. Okay. So I'm gonna drag over my registry for you guys. Let's make it so you guys can actually see. I thought this was really cool when I was learning the player prefs. So if you don't know what the registry is, basically it's just, what's the best way to put it? There's a bunch of key value pairs that maybe applications on your computer use. For example, this stuff are a bunch of keys that we made with the Unity player pref system. So this is what got created when I hit the save game. It made all these keys, but if I click this reset game, open up the player prefs and refresh it, because it doesn't refresh automatically, you have to refresh it to see any changes, then all those keys are gone. So yeah, fun stuff. So it works. Let's go. And I guess, let's see. I mean, we got 30 minutes left. Should we try making some music for this game? Let's do it. I think there's some polishing we could still do, but because like the majority of the function is there, it's good. So let's just go and complete our other goal of making some music. And this is gonna be a mess. So I apologize in advance, but it's probably gonna be a mess. Loading up the fruit. Oh shoot. Let me open up. What's new in FL Studio? I don't know. Save changes? Sure. Oh wait, no, cancel. All right, here's FL Studio. Let's get it to full screen. Alrighty here. This is gonna be good. Not sure how I'm gonna do this for shorts. You don't know. I guess I'll keep you guys here for now. But this is FL Studio. I don't know how to use it one bit. So let's play around with it. Surely we can use like a piano somewhere, right? Does it have a bunch of music I could do? So what are these? These are called generators. I'm assuming because they can generate a sound. What do I do this? Nope. Do I have to drag it to here? Oh, we got something. Why is it so small? Why is the UI so small? Oh gosh. Options. Or can't I just do this? This? Nope, I was trying to zoom in, but it did not work. Tools. Right now I'm just trying to find the zoom in button. View. Surely it has to be like a general setting, right? That way you guys are probably able to see a lot better. Because right now you guys probably can't see nothing. Let me Google this real quick. No, not Google on my phone. Anyone who uses FL Studio, don't be afraid to throw out any keybinds here that you know, or tips. It might be needed. So that holding down Control and the mouse button zooms in your track. So I guess that could be useful. Does it zoom in to where the mouse is? Yes, it does. Okay. So if I'm going to zoom up here, there we go. Can I... Z for magnifying glass? What does that do? Oh, I'm making a sound. Wait, do you guys actually hear this? Here, let me change this up so it's a game capture so you guys can actually hear the sound. properties, and FL Studio. So now if I hit, making a sick beat, guys, let's go. You guys think I should just mute the music? What if our music is just this? Kind of sounds like a fast heartbeat. Wait, when you type, it does different. It does like different like notes. Okay, interesting. So that's the bass drum. I'm gonna be honest. I am not a big I don't really know any music. I think music is really cool, and people that can do it are very talented, and it's so fun to listen to them. But I'm not talented. Sample. I don't know. Surely I got more than a drum. Can you give me like a piano or something? Oh, still, let me control right click drag the interface. You should try FFPS plugin. You might like it. It's a stock thing. Okay. Is that for FL Studio? Options, general settings, main GUI set. Okay. So options, general settings, and main GUI scaling. Okay. I wish I could search here. So is that going to be in general? Yeah. Main GUI settings. Like I have a 1440p monitor, so it's even smaller for me. That's why I'm trying to figure out how to zoom it in. While I figure that out, I'm going to turn the music back on. Intermission, basically. Wait, what does this do? I don't know. I feel like I probably shouldn't have messed with that. Main GUI scaling. Oh wait, do you just have to apply it or something? System. Oh, you gotta restart FL Studio? Okay, how about let's do 150 just because we're streaming it and we'll start from there. If it's too high, then I don't care. Let's just do 150 and restart. No. Okay, FL Studio. Yeah, it's an FL Studio. You can find plugins on a row button. Okay. Row button. Let's find out where we are. Bring up OBS again so you guys can see. Okay, so this should be a lot better for you guys. Let me know if it's not. At least I can see it too. It was way too small before. Not sure how that got there, but alrighty. But yes, you said it was an FL Studio. You can find plugins on a row bottom. Bottom row? And I didn't look at the documentation at all too. What is this? View piano roll? Ooh, okay, we can scroll down, select more keys. Can I just get a piano? What does this do? Oh. I thought that was going to be dragged over to the piano, but that did not. How do I open that piano again? I want to get there. Piano. I don't think that was a piano. This is the piano. Oh, we're adding keys. Hey, let's go. We're starting to make something. What does this key sound like? Okay. Man, I feel bad for all you guys' ears. This music just went down the drain, probably. Here, I'm going to put the music on, but I'm going to just reduce it a little bit. But it should be on the same row with the word pattern to the right of it. That's a mixer, auto scrolling, auto recording, channel rack, browser plugin. Okay. I will look into it. And then maybe the next, well, I guess I'll try to find a good time to get it, I guess. Alrighty. Oh, I can just select the key to hear what it sounds like. Now we're starting to sound like a piano. Are you guys able to hear this all right? Oh, actually, since... My bad. Let me change it for vertical people as well. So you should be able to hear the amazing, amazing music we're making. I'll turn down the music a little bit more so you can actually hear the masterpiece being made. Okay, I think we should just make some random music. Okay, cool. Can I zoom in this a little bit? Okay, you can hold down the middle mouse button. That way you can kind of drag around. What does this do? Starting to sound like Mario. How do I... Does that allow us to duplicate? Okay. So if I want to duplicate, where... Oh, okay. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm sure it sounds okay to somebody. Hey, Solitary, welcome. You didn't miss stream. Glad you didn't miss stream. Yeah, we did not miss streaming. Honestly, we had some days where we were streaming multiple times. And I'm going to be honest, today is going to be another one of those days. I'm going to stream again this evening, and we're going to just finish up this project, get it working to how we want it. We're trying to make music right now. I've never touched this in my life. This is FL Studio, if you don't know what it is. I'm putting boxes in this piano and we're playing music. I've never played piano. Actually, I lied. I played piano because I learned the song Old Town Road on it. So what if I think if I hold down Control and drag, is this called a keyframe, maybe? Oops, I keep doing that. Can I move this stuff down? So what if I do this and then move the keyframe? Not sure what I did there, but it kind of looked cool. I mean, the notes look cool. They're like, some are up, some are down. I don't know if that sounds the best, but what if we move this up? What does that sound like? What does this do? Oh, it's longer notes. I'm gonna just have that in there, I guess. Somebody who actually knows FL Studio is probably watching this and crying. I don't know, probably. Nah, that don't look good. Click the wrench, go to view, and set the key and chord pattern. You can use the highlighted rows as a guide. Click the wrench. So up here, we got the little wrench icon. And then go to view, set the key and chord pattern. Chord pattern. I missed. Go to view. Oops, I clicked. Chord pattern. What? Wrench? Gotta open FLs. Gotta open up FLs. I think this music is too like quick, you know? We gotta restart. Let's first find some keys that we want. I gotta turn this up a little bit. There we go. Hey, everybody. It should be on the same row with the word pattern to the... Oh, wait. I just read that. How you doing? Good. We're making some music for a game. I've never touched this in my life, so... This is FL Studio. Man, that sounds perfect. So, what if I just... take this... Oh, we can see the notes here. What does this do? What if I just hold it? Okay. Can I... Oops, I didn't mean to duplicate that. And then this keyframe here. Wow, music is harder to make than I thought. So Strophium, you have some tips for us? What do you got? Let's see. Top left arrow, drop down, view, helpers, scale highlighting. View, helpers, scale highlight. Okay. View. So is that up here and then... Or maybe it's... Wait, top left arrow drop down. Oh, here. Okay. View. Helpers. This is all new. View. Did I miss a step? View. Maybe I don't have helpers? Potentially. Helpers is the G group. Helpers. Left of the branch. Helpers is a G group. Second to the last group. In the view? Or key length? Oops. Bye. Let's get layer. There's so much you can do here. This is insane. All right. We're just gonna go with it. I'm gonna delete this. I'm not sure what these do. These velocities. And that helper group select scale highlight. I'll have to look into that after. I don't know why I can't find it. I don't understand anything about this tool, so that's probably not helping too. I don't know what things are called. I don't even know what a group is. Did I really? View scale highlighting. Okay. I'm gonna go back to scale highlighting. Scale. Oh shoot, there it is. It's right dead in the middle. Oh, helpers is... I didn't even see these. These little grayed out headers. No wonder I didn't see them. I thought they were just... I didn't even see these names. Choose the root node and mode. Root node and mode. Okay. This one sounds cool. Woo! That's what we gotta do. And that's all our music for the game. Can I make multiple? What is this? Oh, dang. It sounds like a ringtone. It's easiest since it's all the white keys. C major. Hey, Trigo, welcome. Welcome back. You said C major or E minor? C. Which one's major? I don't see any E's. This is how much I know about music. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this little paintbrush. Oh, that's cool. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna delete all that. Major is the scale in which notes you're allowed to use. Oh, okay. So all these, we're in this major, which is 1. Man, I feel like I'm a lost cause right here. If you want, I can hop on a call for like 2 minutes and pilot. Make a little more sense. We'll see. Maybe off the stream, potentially. I also probably need to watch a tutorial on this stuff too. All right, I'm not expecting my game to have the best audio. So that is Trigo. This is FL Studio. So you know what? What does this do? And I got 9 minutes. Okay. Before I got to go back to work here. Oh, this is cool. Why you sound so... All right, maybe I'll stay in this C5. So isn't what C5 is the major or something? And like these are the minor keys or something? I have no idea. But what if I just drag? Oh, that kind of sounded cool. Can I not move? Oh, what happened to it? Wait, so it grays out some of the stuff I can't do because it's a pencil. If I deselect it, does that allow me to do something else? No. Oh, maybe that's part of the... Too much. Okay, I think we can do something with this. Oh no. I don't know what this did. Oh, does that let me highlight? Okay. I don't know how to deselect what I just did there. But, oh, okay, double clicked. Double left click. Can I do a little main or line? Okay, let's just delete all this. I think I'm slowly gonna get it. And I want you to go to the line. Oh. Wait, then what are you getting? Beat? What does that do? Okay. And we're gonna do this and then some of that. Then we could maybe do this. With some of that. Cool. I probably could be duplicating these. Oh, that sounds broken. I don't like that. And then what if we just actually get rid of this? Right click. And then I'm just gonna copy this. Kind of have like the introduction to be the same. It kind of sounds more like horror music, but what, you were supposed to be over here. The light notes, use every other one. Chords need that breathing room to not dissonate. Dissonate. However you say that word. Every other one. I don't think this sounds terrible. I mean, it's not the best. It's kind of like, it's not the best, but. So, E and F4. Nah, that don't sound good. Can I just like keep copying and pasting this and then moving it? And then maybe that's just how we'll make the music for this first game. Move F4 to E4 and move E to D4. So can I move this whole line then? So you want me to move F4 to E4 and then E4 to D4. I have no idea where D4 even is. Is this a D4? D4, I don't even see a D4. But I only have about 3 minutes left, so I might just do some of this. Then we're just going to move it up, see what that does. Oh, wait. We gotta move it there. I mean, if you listen to this music, people would want to play your game, right? It doesn't really sound too happy, but no, I like the tips. I need to definitely learn music theory. I just don't have a lot of time right now. I think I have 2 minutes left. And then maybe I'll just move this down. All the keys are just getting completely jumbled up. But maybe this will be our song and we'll just keep putting this on repeat. This song. What if I move this whole thing down? Can I do that? Something happened there. Something don't sound right there. It probably has nothing. I just need to see visually what some things look like to actually just see where to put things, and then I'll be able to make some good music. But I mean, honestly, this is a skill that probably takes a while to learn too. But it is 1 o'clock, so I do gotta head out. But I do appreciate you all joining. I think that we got the music for the most part, and now I just gotta make some sound effects. Probably gonna be easy. We're just gonna make it a quick little piano key, and then we're gonna export it. We'll figure out how to export. Yeah, I'm telling you, 1A1, it's not gonna be good music, probably. I'm gonna probably stop putting all the notes so close together. Yeah, it could be a lot better. You know, I got a lot of homework to do over music theory. But this is where I'm gonna have to end the stream for today. Appreciate you guys all joining. We'll be back later this evening, so if you want to join, definitely subscribe so you can see it. But until then, I appreciate you guys all joining and hope you have a good rest of your day, night, morning, wherever it is. So thanks again, and I will see you guys next time.